Hello guys, you are welcome to another video tutorial where I'll be showing you how to do face swap using this wonderful AI software tool. Alright, in this video I've got Tiwa Savage from Nigeria and Beyonce from USA. But before we proceed, please subscribe to this channel so that you can get more amazing video like this whenever we drop a new piece. Okay, this is the interface of the software. Alright, we have source face and target face. Alright, we have transform and we have edit, and here we have save. Alright, so first we're going to use Tiwa Savage as the source face. Okay, here we have Tiwa Savage. Okay, next we have Beyonce. Right now what we want to do is to have Tiwa Savage face transformed to Beyonce's face. Alright, so you just click on the transform here, then you wait. While performing this very transformation, you have to make sure your internet connection is on. Alright, okay, you can see Tiwa Savage face on Beyonce's rightly transformed. This is beautiful. Okay, so now we're going to do it the other way around. We're going to use Beyonce as the source face while we use Tiwa Savage as target face. Okay, so okay, all right, next we're going to select the source face as we're going to use Beyonce this time as the source face, and the target face we're going to use Tiwa Savage. Then you click transform. So you can see how beautiful it is. But once the transformation is successful, you can just go ahead and save this. You can either save it as image or PDF. Okay, so we're just going to save this as image, then you select the location where you want to save it. Okay, then you give it a name. This is Beyonce on Tiwa Savage. Okay, I've just saved it, so you can go to the folder and check. So this is what we got, Beyonce on Tiwa Savage. We didn't save the first one anyway. So if you find this video helpful, please subscribe, click on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Share with friends, and thank you for watching. See you in my next video.